Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Students, let's start our lesson with the name of Allah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today we will learn to write the counting from 1 to 20. Students, in your mathematics copy you will have the boxes just like these. Okay, you will start writing ones and tens. Ones in your right side column and 10 in your left side column. These are called place values. When you will start write them, you will start from right side. Okay, now I know you know how to write one, but remember the one will be write down under the ones. It will be write down in ones column. Here is 2 will also be in ones column. 3 is also in ones column, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and then 9. But when we will come to our digit 10, because it is 2-digit number, so 1 will be in tens column. Here you can see 1 is in tens column and 0 will be in ones column. 1, 10 and 0 ones make 10. Okay, now our next digit is 11. Again you will write the ones and tens, ones in right side and 10 in left side. You will always start writing these place values from right side. You will write ones in right column. Now students, here you can see 1 tens and 1 ones make 11. Okay, 1 tens and 1 ones make 11. Now here downside you see 1 tens and 2 ones make 12. 1 tens and 3 ones make 13. 1 tens and 4 ones make 14. Okay, 1 tens and 5 ones make 15. 1 tens and 6 ones make 16. 1 tens and 7 ones make 17. 1 tens and 8 ones make 18. 1 tens and 9 ones make 19. But here in our next digit you can see the 2 is in tens column, because in 20 we have 2 tens. So 10 and 10, 2 tens make 20. So we will write the 2 in tens column. So nothing is remain in ones column, so we will write here 0. So 2 tens and 0 ones make 20. In this way you will practice counting from 1 to 20 in your mathematics copy. Okay students, now here is your new countdown book. You will open the page number 1 of your book. Which page? Page number 1. Here we have the question. Count the objects in each group and write the number in the box. Students, then color group of 9 blue, group of 5 yellow and group of 4 red. First of all, we will learn how to count and write the objects. Start counting from A. In A we have 4 chilies, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 chilies. You will write the 4 in the box here related to this diagram. In next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 boxes. So you will write the number 9 here in this box. Next to C, you have here books. Start counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write the number 4 here. Here you have ice creams. Start counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write the number 5 here. In this way you will count all these objects and write the numbers in the box which are related to them. Students, here our next task is to color the group of 9 with blue. You can see we have in our B box we have 9 boxes, and in F we have 9 buckets. So B and F will be colored with the color blue. Next one is group of 5 with yellow. Here you can see we have hats, 5 hats and 5 ice creams. So D and E will be colored yellow. Next one is the group of 4 with red. You have 4 chilies and 4 books. So A and C will be colored with red. In this way you will complete this page. Here next task on page number 2 you have learned on page number 1. This is the task is to count and write the objects in the box. Student, you have learned, I have told you this pattern on your page number 1. So you will do the task same as it is. Let me tell you with one example. Here you have some turnips. Start counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know how to write the number 10? Okay, then write it in the box. Here you have some cats. Start counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, today we have to learn the counting from 1 to 20. You know how to write the number 20, so you will write the number in this box. Students, in this way you will complete your homework. Students, take care of yourself and keep touch with your studies. Okay, Allah Hafiz.